Discussion about the importance of water, of wells in our lives is very, very important. Communities must know that they need lakes, they need water, and lakes also will provide for us, will protect us by keeping us free of floods.
This very important topic. Historic water systems of Hyderabad will set the tone for all the other discussions that follow. We can transfer inherited knowledge, the earlier generation at least, to the younger generation, the students.
And it is very much required for the students wanting to design for future, where they want to connect and learn about water and its relationship with architecture and immediate physical surroundings. So it's a great opportunity to learn from the experts, learn from the ground level activity that is happening from experts like planners, conservators, environmental engineers. So very important opportunities created for students.